Hi everybody, Dave Blinder from eXp Realty. Thanks for tuning in again. Today we're at Brook Park in Mount Olive, New Jersey. We'll be hiking into the scenic Maier's Pond section at Brook. To access this park in Mount Olive from where I live, I take Route 80 westbound to Route 206 southbound to Drakestown Road and finally to Flanders Road. Right now I'm standing in front of the historic Seaward house or Seaward mansion. Let me give you a look at that. The structure is listed on the National Registry of Historic Places, constructed in the 1860s. And from what I've read, this is an example of Italianate architecture on a local stone home. Really cool building, a lot of great photography opportunities around the building itself, and nice that we are preserving some local New Jersey history here. Without further ado, let's enter the park and explore. I'm now standing about halfway through the driving loop here at Brook Park. From this point on, I'll be proceeding on foot towards the Maier's Pond area. And to get you better oriented, there's a driving loop in front of me. And there is a basketball area directly opposite where I'm standing. And on this side is the entrance to the dog park. So for now, I'll be following this sign towards parking lots D, E, and F. There's my wildlife photography setup, always ready for action. And I'll be making my way down this gravel road. Now making our way down the gravel and dirt road. Off to the left side, again, we see the dog park. There's several dogs in there happily yapping away with their owners. And on the right side of the gravel road, we're passing a soccer field. There is a parking area here, and then a football field. Now off on the left side, there's some nice shrubby areas and some good wildlife habitat. And I'm hearing a lot of American goldfinches calling out there, so this could be a good area for bird watching. I'm still making my way down the broad gravel and dirt road. Off of my left and right sides now, we have some dense masses of vegetation. I'll give you a look at the plant. The name of this plant is Mugwort. It's not native to our area. It can also be quite invasive to areas with disturbed soil, so it spreads very, very quickly. Not necessarily beneficial to our ecosystems either. However, this can still be good cover for wildlife, so this is a good area to scout out for bird watching. And at this point, the gravel and dirt road and exit veers off to my left. Exit sign in front of me. However, I'm going to be bearing right towards and beyond this yellow gate as we continue on towards Maier's Pond. And let's take the time to read the kiosk. So hunting and trapping is forbidden, but this is not a no trespassing sign. This is open space here. And although we're in November right now, it's a warm day, the ticks can certainly be active. And here's a description of the trail access to Maier's Pond. Just a little further now down the gravel trail and about to pass under a utility right-of-way. On the left side of the gravel road, we've got a broad grassy clearing. Several benches to sit out and enjoy nature. Nice grouping of bird boxes as well. Looks like these could be great for house wrens, judging by the size of the holes on them. And we can see we've reached access for the White Trail for extended hiking and nature walks throughout Mount Olive. Here is a kiosk with a trail map to learn more about the trail network here in Mount Olive. Right now we should be just about in the center at the bird sanctuary and getting very close to Maier's Pond. There are some great wildlife habitat initiatives here at Turkey Brook Park. I'll zoom in and give you a look at the owl box someone so generously installed on this tree. I've already passed several bat houses as well. And now continuing along the gravel road, we can see the spur where the White Trail meets up with the gravel trail. And I'll be continuing this way as we're now just about reaching Maier's Pond. We've just arrived at our scenic destination for the day. Tranquil and beautiful Maier's Pond, accessed by Turkey Brook Park in Mount Olive, New Jersey. Great still reflections on the pond today. Looks like there are some recent bench installations, so you can sit down and enjoy the sights and sounds of nature, maybe scan for some wildlife. Judging by the trees here, looks like some busy beavers are periodically chewing away at the perimeter of the pond. I wanted to give you a look at the Scenic Trail that runs the backside of Maier's Pond. A lot of nice vantage points of the water here, great for photography. And again, we're seeing more evidence that the beavers are being very, very busy here lately. My experience, beavers are most active around dusk and dawn hours, so if you wanted to try to view the beavers yourself, you'd be better off coming very early in the morning or towards the end of the afternoon. So I'll be doubling back momentarily and completing my visit to Maier's Pond at Turkey Brook Park. I'm now hoofing my way back up the gravel road heading towards my car. So at this point, I'd like to thank you again so much for tuning in. If you'd like to plan your visit to Maier's Pond at Turkey Brook Park, you can click on the link in the description. If you have any questions on New Jersey parks, New Jersey living, or New Jersey real estate, you can let me know. If you have the opportunity to like, subscribe, and share my content, that really helps me out. Thanks, and I'll see you in my next video.